Welcome to our channel, your go-to place for the latest tech trends in the industrial sector and cutting-edge innovations. Today, let's take a look at Pilot, a smart and easy-to-use app designed to help you manage production in real time and optimize efficiency. With just a few clicks, you can set up intelligent tracking for your production units in less than a day. Operators can monitor machines, follow production status, and take action when needed. The app improves communication across teams and keeps everyone aligned. Getting started is simple. First, create your account and set up your project. Define your plant, production lines, and products, either manually or by importing your data from Excel. Invite team members to join, whether they are operators, managers, or support roles like quality and maintenance. The app includes an advanced user management system. Setting up your project correctly from the start is essential. It ensures that every production unit, process, and team member is aligned, and that data flows seamlessly across all levels of operation. By structuring your plant and production lines properly, you create a clear framework for tracking activities, identifying inefficiencies, and maintaining consistency in reporting. This setup also enables detailed traceability at multiple levels, by lot, by machine, by product, and by team. Data management is fully flexible with multiple options available. You can update information manually, allowing operators to create lots and log stop events, downtime reasons, and quality issues in real time. Alternatively, you can automate data collection with various connectors for seamless integration. You can also import historical data, including stop events and quality issues, via Excel, providing a complete view of production performance. Once your data is in place, dashboards provide real-time insights into every aspect of production. You can monitor the latest events, track machine status, production rates, and quickly identify deviations that could impact efficiency. Downtime tracking allows you to see the duration, frequency, and causes of stops, helping you pinpoint recurring issues and reduce unplanned interruptions. Quality monitoring highlights defect rates and variations, making it easier to detect trends and address production inconsistencies before they escalate. Reports give a structured view of key performance indicators, allowing you to analyze data by team, product, or production unit. You can compare efficiency across different shifts, machines, or product lines, making it easier to identify underperforming areas and optimize workflows. For deeper analysis, you can generate Pareto charts to visualize the most critical factors affecting production losses. Root cause analysis helps break down quality and downtime issues, guiding teams toward targeted improvements and corrective actions. With these tools, decision-making becomes more data-driven, enabling continuous performance optimization and better resource allocation. Beyond monitoring, the system also includes features like predictive maintenance to help you catch equipment issues early and reduce downtime. You can track performance trends, estimate failure risks, and take action before problems impact production. You can also deploy AI agents to automate tasks like maintenance scheduling, pulling data from your factory, ERP, and suppliers. With a simple prompt, generate maintenance plans, notify your team, and keep everything running smoothly. Sign up for free at i40pilot.app and start your free trial to see how it fits your production needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on industrial tech and innovation. See you next time.